Goodbye to being poor. Hello to financial abundance. Place this ancient secret under your bed to unlock financial abundance all year, and you'll always have money for the rest of the year. If you're looking to improve your finances and bring unexpected wealth into your life, I'm about to share some old secrets that have stood the test of time. These secrets, rooted in Buddhist teachings, have the potential to transform your financial reality. First, let's talk about the unique energy of your bed. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a sacred space where you recharge and rejuvenate. While you rest, your brain and body engage in many vital activities, creating a powerful energy field. Did you know that the pyramids were designed to harness similar energies? Just like those ancient structures, our surroundings can significantly impact our lives. The energy of pyramids. Think about the pyramids. They create a strong energy field, symbolizing power and transformation. This principle is the foundation of the practices we are about to explore. By placing certain items under your bed, you can harness this energy to attract financial abundance. The synergy between your intentions and these ancient techniques can unlock a new level of prosperity. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. Many wise individuals, including historical figures like Jesus of Nazareth, believed in the power of our surroundings and our minds. What I'm going to share with you revolves around the concept of mentalism, the idea that our thoughts and emotions can shape our reality. This principle is embedded in many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, which emphasizes the power of intention and mindfulness. Gathering materials. To begin, let's gather the materials for our unique ritual. You'll need a clean glass jar, 3 garlic cloves, 8 bay leaves, a coin from your country, a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a handful of rice. Each of these items holds a specific energy that will contribute to our practice. They are chosen for their symbolic meanings and their ability to attract and amplify positive energies. Start by holding the glass jar and thinking about what wealth means to you. Is it peace of mind, freedom, or the ability to enjoy life without financial stress? Take 5 to 10 minutes to really connect with these thoughts and feelings. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help align your subconscious mind with your financial goals. Adding bay leaves. Next, add 8 bay leaves to the jar. The number 8 symbolizes infinity, representing endless protection and abundance. Visualize wealth flowing into your life as you add each leaf. Each bay leaf serves as a conduit for attracting prosperity and safeguarding your financial journey. Adding garlic and cinnamon. Now, add 3 garlic cloves for protection, ensuring nothing blocks the flow of abundance. Garlic has been revered for centuries for its protective qualities. Then, add the cinnamon, which amplifies wealth and good fortune. Cinnamon's warm, sweet scent is believed to attract positive energies and enhance prosperity. Feel the energy of each ingredient merging with your own intentions. Adding the coin. Finally, place the coin into the jar. This represents a constant flow of money into your life from all directions. Seal the jar tightly, holding it close to your heart, and imagine it as a magnet for wealth. This simple yet profound act symbolizes your readiness to receive financial blessings. Placing the jar. Place the jar under your bed and let its energy work while you sleep. As you do this, repeat the affirmation, I am a magnet for money and prosperity. I attract wealth effortlessly and abundantly. Feel the power of this ritual transforming your financial situation. Your bed becomes a sanctuary of abundance, where your dreams of wealth can take root and flourish. Cultivating an abundance mindset. In addition to the ritual, cultivate an abundance mindset. Start your day with gratitude, writing down 3 things you're thankful for each morning. This practice tunes your mind to the frequency of abundance, making it easier to attract more wealth. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive feedback loop that draws more blessings into your life. Engaging in positive activities. Engage in activities that make you feel prosperous, dress confidently, surround yourself with uplifting people, and enjoy simple pleasures. These acts of self-love enhance your vibration and draw more abundance into your life. By embodying a mindset of prosperity, you signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more wealth and joy. Reflecting on the journey. Remember, this journey is about more than just attracting money. It's about creating a life of fulfillment and joy. Embrace this adventure and let your newfound abundance enrich not only your life but also those around you. Reflect on how far you've come and celebrate each milestone along the way. Celebrating success. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect of abundance that touches lives far and wide. Let's celebrate each success, stay focused, and keep moving forward with confidence and grace. Here's to a future filled with endless wealth, joy, and fulfillment. Let's make it happen, one step at a time. Remember that the power to attract wealth lies within you. Stay positive, stay grateful, and watch as your financial situation transforms. Until next time, may you be blessed with abundance and joy.